Welcome everyone to the chapter Exploring UI based file system under the module Exploring Linux operating system. In this chapter, we are going to explore our file system through UI. First, navigate to this folder icon on the left which says files. Once you click on it, you will get something like this, which is our file explorer. Here you can see few of our icons at the left side, which are recent, then star, home, document, downloads, music, pictures, etc. The most important folder is home, where all your folder resides. You can see the folder created by us in previous modules bootcamp. It has day 1, day 2, day 3 up to day 5. And you can basically navigate inside or outside the folder through this icon. These are few of the documents created by the operating system, like documents to keep the documents. The another folder is downloads, which is the default location for any downloads from browsers mostly. Then music, pictures. If you take screenshot, then those pictures will come here. For example, if I press the print screen, okay, then you can see I can select the area, okay, and then I can enter it. Then here you can see the folder is created, okay. Navigate back. Then there is something like public, which is just general public for the sharing purpose. Snap is the folder created by operating system while installing the snap tool, which we used for installing the VLC, if you remember. And these are some other things, videos, okay. and and the final is the trash folder. Basically whatever you delete, okay, is goes here. For example, let me delete that picture, okay. Here, move to trash, or you can press the delete key in the keyboard, then it goes into the trash. Here you can either basically restore it, okay, restore from trash, or delete from trash to completely, permanently delete this file. Empty, okay, so it's basically gone now completely. So you can see recent is here, star is here. So for example, I'm going to home, and then I will make this bootcamp as star, okay. Now all my favorite folders will be accessible from starred icon from the left side. Now to create a new folder, use your mouse and press right click. You can see the options new folder, or you can use the shortcut combination shift control N, okay. So here you can see demo, okay, or shift control N, okay, same thing. Now you can go inside this folder, okay, with this, and open this folder in terminal using this option. Here let's create a file using some another command like touch abc.txt, okay. Now you can see abc is there, okay. Now go back to the previous folder, and now there are some other option like open in new tab, okay. So you can see I can access these two tabs. Then new window, it's completely open the new window. And then there are other like cut, copy paste, move to trash, rename, okay. I can rename it to Linux demo, okay, you can see. And then there are other thing, star, same thing, properties, you can see. Then the permissions, you can see there are three different levels of permission: owner, group, and others. Owners has create and delete. I can basically change it to access only, or list files only. Let me just keep it create and delete. And then Dhanu Sir, that's a group name, okay. I can add another users into my Dhanu Sir group. And then access files only, list file. And then for others which are not part of my group, okay, then probably I don't want to see this folder. I want to keep it private. Okay, so that's all how this permissions is handled in Linux. Very, very important. Okay, now we can also compress any folder or file through UI. Just right click and then you can see the option compress, and here either zip format or tar format or some other formats. I'm using zip. Okay, create. You can see the compressed version is created, and now I can just copy or cut and then go into bootcamp, paste here. Okay, and then basically extract here. Okay, and then you can see the Linux demo is now available, which has one file. I am just removing these two. Okay, and suppose you want to edit the text file, then you can use the text editor. Just right click, you can see open with text editor. Okay, and here this is first line of abc.txt. Then press Ctrl S or save button and then exit. Or suppose you install some another text editor, then it will be available under this option, open with other application. Finally, suppose you want this Linux demo to be available all the time for you, then just press right click and then press add to bookmark option. You can see your folder is bookmarked on the left side. Now, suppose you are inside this day 5, then directly want to go to the Linux demo folder, then you can go here. That's all in this chapter. In the next chapter, we are going to install and run application through UI. See you in the next chapter.